This lens is gross. Good enough. Alright, it's Sunday. What is the fucking day? It's like Sunday, the October 20th, I guess. We're just kind of getting the van cleaned up. We're gonna get out and have a mini bike adventure. We got the generator. Everything's gassed up for the day. Earlier this week, I ordered a microwave and a toaster oven. And then last night, I discovered the generator does not produce enough juice for the microwave. So that's a bit of a bummer. Actually, maybe it did, actually. So yeah, I gotta vacuum this pig out. Ugh, I gotta dump the sink. Oh, I'm a wreck. Don't want to be sucking in any more exhaust fumes. Duh. He loves it back here. He's so cute. Nice and pause. Test that brake light. That is why I make the big bucks. Are you ready to have a good day? That's all I get out of it. I'm driving, I'm filming, I'm vibing. It's my kind of Sunday. God, I'm a wreck. I'm gonna kill somebody. You know, I can see putting the stove back there was a bad idea now. It's rattling, driving me crazy. I'm camping way out behind work again. It's kind of fun out here. I'm gonna go get the mini bike and ride around for a little bit. Got the generator behind the van just rattling away. I mean, it stays cool in here, so I'm cool with it. You know, it's right here. Doink! Hi! Get up there. Yeah, he likes to watch Papa. I'm gonna try to get this wristband on and see how shaky the fucking garbage footage will be. These suck. Alright guys, I had to change clothes because I don't want to die in shorts. Check it out. That don't sound like eco mode. It is. Whatever. Whoa, that's a turd. Right. Today I had to put a double gas cap or double seal on the cap. Hopefully it doesn't spray out all the freaking legs again. I'm trying to figure it out. Hopefully it doesn't bounce off. Choke. Come on, baby. You can do it. We're just going to give it a test run before we load it up in the van, make sure it's not leaking any gas. right, guys, I'm gonna try to speak up because this cover blocks most of the sound, but we're gonna go change it up to the head mount, see how this does. This will probably look a lot cooler. Then I gotta let this little battery that goes inside the plastic case, I gotta let that little one charge, and then we'll think about where we're gonna go next. I don't know what the field of range is, but we'll figure it out.
This thing's a fucking riot. Oh my god. I definitely fucked the brake up. Something, it was just not fucking stopping. I guess it looks alright. Woo, let's cool off. Hi buddy. Hi buddy pal.
All right, hopefully that footage worked out good. That was so much fun though. I've got to take that half link off because that chain stretched way out and now it's freaking loose and wobbly. And the other day it actually popped off when I was riding. It scared the hell out of me. The motor is, it's woo, gave me a heart attack. So I'm gonna put in this little Master 420 Master link, take out the half link. I hate touching chains, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, that's our next goal. I got the van pretty much sitting in the sun right now. And it's staying cool. It's just summer solstice was so freaking hot. We're so freaking close to the damn sun. I'm just glad this is working out pretty well. You know, we're getting it. We're having fun. What's Harris got? What you got, Harry? Oh shit, y'all are down by the library. I know what's up. I'm gonna come back. We're gonna ride. I'm gonna stay for a month or so. I got so much crap out. I'm overwhelmed. See, I'm gonna go swap out this Master Link. That is no longer delicious. Trying to find a spot where there's no wolf poop. Wish me luck. Looks like the gas cap, oh, it'll still be leaking, but definitely not as bad. Just a crap ass design. I gotta fork out some money and get a real tank one of these days. I don't ride it enough to really care though. So, check out the air conditioner and the fork that helps my reception go a little tiny bit better. I caulked this thing in. It was open. It was uncaulked all season, all summer. But then when it finally started getting cold, I decided I'm gonna finally caulk it because it rained super hard. But yeah, it works. It's actually keeping the van cool right now. That's awesome. I'm very happy about that. All that water gushing out. So awesome, and I park on a hill. Alright, we're back. I can never get them lined up right. I always think I can reinvent the fucking wheel. Can't. I just got an idea. I'm just gonna drill a hole down here. Back to the tool shed. Oh look, exactly what I need. How rare. My defense though, like it's a fucking mini bike, man. Who gives a shit? Look at that, we're fixing shit out in the field. I lost parts already. Yeah, fuck yeah, this ought to work. It doesn't even fucking spin. I still get stuck on that weld. God damn it. I hate my life. I fuck up everything I touch. It kind of works. I mean, it doesn't really spin that great. I mean, of course it does. But it'll fucking work it'll work for the day. I don't care really. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just trying to get out and have a day of fun. Put my tools up and take it for another test ride and see how it goes. Well, boys, the trophy club park that I want to take the mini bike to is only 20 minutes away. Actually, it looks like it's gonna be busy as fuck. Then again, maybe not, I don't know. I'm gonna let the mini bike cool off. I'm gonna unplug the generator. I think I'm gonna plug into work. And then I'll have some Wi-Fi, then I'll have something to do for a little bit. And then I think at like 4 o'clock we should go out there. It'll be fun, it'll be an experience, it'll be fun. All right, guys, look at him. He's so cool. Yeah, you. Yeah, you over there. I double gasketed the gas cap. Hopefully that holds some fuel in. The valve cover is leaky. But it ought to give us an hour or two of fun. And that's why I got that rubber mat and brake clean. Yes, I agree. Putting the gas can this close to my bed and the rear AC is probably not a smart idea. Just so we both agree on that. Van life is a little bit of extra work. No! Oh my god, I saved it. Oh, forgot that was 10 feet down. Oh, what the fuck? This damn rug. Hot. You gotta do what you gotta do, huh? Yeah. But one more thing I forgot to do. Condensation from the AC tends to build up in front of the... Basically all that will overflow onto my bed. Bikes are in, generators in, we're ready to hit the road. Except I gotta check the map. Hey. I didn't ask about helmets or anything. Oops, we'll see how long it takes to get kicked out. Yeah, I did not think about a helmet. This might have been a waste of 15 bucks. So I read the sign, there's definitely a helmet rule. Helmets must be worn at all times. The picture I saw online showed some guy riding an ATV with no helmet, you know, drunk people do dumb shit. That's me. Yeah, I also have an OHV sticker at all times. I don't know what the fuck that means on your vehicle, on your bike. Oh yeah, they're totally getting stuck. Ah! Place is busy. I think I'm just gonna leave. I had fun. I think I got 15 bucks worth of fun. Wow. But honestly, I'm tired. Smoked a lot of weed today, and that's not the right bike for this place. I have no helmet. Like, we're gonna find a different place to ride. That just sucks. I just ignorantly just kind of paid 15 bucks to get into this place that like I didn't even read the rules or anything. And like the mini bike is cool, but it's got street tires on it right now. So like next time I come out, I'll have a fucking helmet. Dang. Also, there's a lot of sand on most of the, like all the trails are hellaciously sandy. So like it's hard to keep the front end from washing out from underneath you. And like the back wheel has street tires on it, so it just spins, just brap, brap, brap. It wasn't really ideal condition. Check. Oh. Damn. Those little fuckers almost blew my front wheels out. I started to roll back on them. Now they've successfully peed in a bottle. Let's see where we're at. There's gotta be a spot out here I can ride this fucking thing and not get booted out. Well, it's not it, but we're going off-road, boys.
Run away for some time to the universe to set size. Run away for some time to a universe to set size.
They were basically right off of a busy fucking road. I found this big ass church, wide open parking lot like this. Alright, I'm gonna throw this stuff in here. Extra battery. Junk. I look at such a cock face. I must have the head of a toddler. This thing is way too big for my big dumb brain. Might be knocking. Oh my god! That thing is retarded fast! That thing is so stupid fast! That thing was so loud, even with the muffler. Look at the path, we pulled in the wrong place. Luckily the gates were open. We just pulled over the curb because I was so excited to ride the mini bike. Come on out, bud. You can do it. Good boy, big drop. God dang, that's fun. All right, I guess I'm gonna order some dinner and maybe we'll do a night run later. Night runs are so much fun on the streets. Oh my God, look how much oil is vomiting out of this valve cover. Oh my God, I lost a bunch of oil. It was full throttle the whole way. That was too much fun. So we gotta celebrate. We're gonna get some Chili's for dinner. Probably edit up Wednesday's footage. Check this out. Tell from my ear. It's actually a fish eye, so you probably can't tell at all. Get back! Over there. Go. Yeah, this piece of shit's gotta cool off for a while. It's gonna be stupid hot. Oh my God. Seeping out of that crack in the valve. Are you thirsty, Bubba? Let's get you some water. Look at my fucking hair. Oh, I look crazy as fuck. All right, guys, so I think we've pushed our luck enough here. This is a huge ass parking lot. This is perfect. I knew we'd find something, guys. I knew it. I just had to like stuff my anxiety down in my stomach and force myself to fucking do things. Sometimes that's all you gotta do. Just force yourself to do shit like this. I had to force myself. Actually, I stopped paying rent, so like I had to do something. And like I've always wanted to do this, and it was just time. It was finally fucking time for me to experiment and try something new. I want to say no homo, but full-blown homo. I don't even care. Was that fun, pal? Alright, I'm gonna order my dinner. And yeah, we're gonna get out of here pretty soon. Start this. But holy fuck, that was so much fun, guys. Oh my God. It's like just riding in it in that little field at work. It gets, that gravel field, it gets old, man. There's not enough room. There's not nearly enough room for that thing. This thing fucking hauls balls. Fuck. It is like dangerously fast. What the fuck have I built? Oh, I can't. Oh, I love my job, guys. I really do have the best job ever. Honestly, I'd have never bought something like this if I didn't have this job. It's a stupid fucking toy.
There's a clouding on my senses. Can't redefine. There's a clouding on my senses.